Fluent Listening, Episode 4, Weekend Plans with a Friend. Characters: David, friendly and outgoing. Lisa, kind and organized. Welcome to Fluent Listening, your beginner-level English podcast. Today's episode is Weekend Plans with a Friend. Let's join David and Lisa as they talk about what to do this weekend. Scene: Friday afternoon outside a cafe.
Hi, Lisa. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Hey, David. Not yet. I might clean my apartment on Saturday morning. What about you?
I was thinking of going to the park or maybe watching a movie. I don't want to stay home all weekend.
That sounds nice. Which park?
Riverside Park. It's quiet and there are big trees. I like walking there.
Oh, I know that park. It's peaceful. What time are you going?
Maybe around 10 a.m.? Do you want to come?
Sure. A morning walk sounds good. Should we bring snacks?
Yes, I'll bring water and some fruit.
I can bring sandwiches and juice.
Perfect. Let's meet at the park entrance at 10.
Sounds good. I'll wear my walking shoes.
Scene: Saturday morning at the park.
Good morning, Lisa. You're early.
Hi, David. Yes, I like to be on time. I brought the sandwiches.
Great. I brought apples and water.
It's a nice day. The sky is blue and the sun is out.
Yes, and it's not too hot. Perfect for walking.
Let's walk around the lake first.
Okay. Do you come here often?
Not really. Maybe once a month. You?
Almost every weekend. It helps me relax.
That's a good habit. I should walk more often.
Scene: Walking by the lake.
Look, there are ducks on the water.
Yes, and I see some turtles on that rock.
So cute. Do you bring your camera here sometimes?
Yes, but not today. I just wanted to enjoy the moment.
That's nice. Sometimes it's better not to take pictures.
Exactly. Just fresh air and good company.
Ah, thank you.
Scene: Picnic break under a tree.
Let's sit here under the big tree. It's shady.
Good idea. Here's your sandwich.
Thanks. Do you want an apple?
Yes, please.
So, what do you usually do on Sundays?
I usually do laundry and plan for the week. Sometimes I go to the supermarket,
Same here. Sunday is my cleanup day.
but tomorrow I might go to the bookstore.
Oh, I love bookstores. Can I join?
Of course. Let's go in the afternoon.
Sure. What time?
How about 2 p.m.?
Perfect. There's a new cafe near the bookstore, too.
Great. We can have coffee after.
It's a plan, then. Walk on Saturday, books and coffee on Sunday.
I love weekends like this.
Scene: Wrapping up the walk.
This was fun. Thank you for coming.
Thank you for inviting me. I feel relaxed now.
Me too. I'll see you tomorrow at 2.
Yes, I'll message you before I leave.
Cool. Have a good evening.
You too. Bye, David.
Bye, Lisa.
Thanks for listening to Fluent Listening, Episode 4, Weekend Plans with a Friend. Practice speaking with a partner and try using today's phrases. See you in the next episode.